Make way for ducklings! Make ways! Hello to the fine feathered friends! Hello to the finest! Hello to the featheredest! Hello to the friendliest! Ducklings, would you like to come out and play in the snow? Hi guys! How are ya? Good ducklings! Good morning Angus, good morning Martha, good morning Amelia, good morning Goosey! Come on, Stella Bean! Good job guys! You guys want to go for a snowy swim? Good ducklings! Good ducklings! Ducklings, we may have some blizzard conditions today. Are you prepared? Martha, what do you think? Amelia bugs? Angus man? Goosey girl? Stella? Martha? Anybody for a swim? Anybody for a snow day swim? Come on, guys! Hi, guys! Good ducklings! Hi, Stella! Stella, you gonna do it? Martha, you gonna do it? Oh, go Martha! Go Martha! Go Martha! Go Martha! 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 Yay, Martha! Whoa! There we go, guys. Angus, you coming in? Goosey? Goose? Goose, do you want to go for a swim, sweetie? All right, ducklings. Happy snow day.